minsan, usually lagi akong tulala. Hindi ko makapagtrabaho. Focus na.
Or sharp object. So, maaaring kasamahan daw niya sa trabaho. This is Ace of Hearts. Or maaaring kakilala mo. Someone close to you, maaaring family member natin. Kasi Ace of Heart is magaan or ibig sabihin nakasalamuha mo. Kinainitan ka sa pera. So, ate, again, I want to see you back for you to have a cleansing. I will protect you from harm. I-remove po natin ang negative energy na na-absorb. You deserve to have a blessing. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Ako dapat magpasalamat sa pagtitiwala niyo. So, I want to see you back soon. Thank you, Ate.
Ano po?